Hello to Crypto 9 Wolves. Welcome. How you feel today? It's big red day in crypto space. uh, where should we start? Actually, gold, silver, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they are moving up. I think S&P and Nasdaq are at all-time high. Crazy. Bitcoin is not. So I think that Bitcoin can be leading indicator now in what's going on in economic environment. So as we know, nothing has changed. Japanese yen is where it is. Government of Japan doesn't intervene. Still not yet. Didn't intervene. Not yet. Interest rates are high. Rate cuts. Nothing to see coming soon. So that's why dollar is still strong against currencies, other currencies. So that's why also money, big boys still keep their money into dollar, because they are getting 4.7% in yearly on 2-year bonds. So this is the problem, but that we focus on this one more thing. It will be strange what will I say now, but this is also one of the indicators that I am looking for, and that's employment rates. So that means that people in US still have jobs, should I say, or actually that we want actually that people will lose, that they will losing their jobs. This will then bring economy inflation down. So as long people has jobs and they are spending money, inflation cannot go down. That's why interest rates are also higher for longer. So that's why also risk on assets are where they are, but nothing. As I said, I am ready always for up or downs. So today I add some longs, some levels, and yeah, I still have capital to use if price will go lower. I have on some lower levels still buy orders. So nothing has changed in my strategy and the way things are. I'm observing all, keep an eye on everything, and nothing. After the rain comes always the sun. So believe me, now it's already much fear in markets. Now whole crypto space start writing that we are going to 48k or 52k and so on and so on. So this negative sentiment can then actually trigger that we will not see those levels. If we will, it's okay. I have orders also on those levels, but I won't say that majority always lose. So when people are saying we are going to all-time high, whole world is saying we are going all-time high, then it will happen opposite. So now when majority is talking about we are going low and lower and lower and lower prices, majority will be wrong, because market makers and in markets, minority wins always. It cannot be a majority. It doesn't make sense. So my opinion that healthy and good reversal can be on this 57, 58k. Here I am very confident that it would be very healthy to reverse trend in this area. And then we are going back to, it will be mid-range. It will be very important to break through. This is around 65k, but I see then if this will be broken, that we will go to 71 to 73k back. We are going day by day, step by step. Here it's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful beach. Oh. Yeah, what should I say? Don't take my infos as financial advice, of course. This is just Crypto 9 Wolves. I just share my thoughts, and yeah, do your own research and don't listen me. Nothing here on this channel is financial advice, and everything is on your own risk. So let's see. I think that 57, 58 will be very important area, and because already much big buyers and big orders came through today at 60k region. Large whales came in and with bids, and they bought heavily at 60k. I saw big bids, so maybe this was today a reversal point also. Who knows? But we will see what will happen actually in today, tomorrow. I think this week is very crucial. Some macroeconomic data will also come out on Thursday and Friday, I think, and then this week is crucial. How we will have July and summer, actually, should I say, green or red, or choppy sideways. But I think that we need to be patient, and our time will come, definitely. It's not over. No, definitely it's not over. We will have blow of top before a big recession next year. So I think that blow of top is first this year, and also elections, don't forget on that. And believe me, in these red days, be strong, do right moves, buy. I'm buying because I know money is made in blood days or red days. Money is not made in green days. Remember that. So be strong, think positive, look bigger picture, wider, and in maybe few days or few weeks it will be better position. I'm sure of that. So peace. I already miss my wolves at home. One more week we are on traveling and vacation, and then see us with 9 wolves at home. Till then, trade well and wise. Ciao.